Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate. It's super easy and really helpful. Let's get started. First, open the Google Translate app on your phone, or go to translate.google.com on your computer. Next, choose the languages you want to translate from and to. Tap the language buttons at the top to select your languages. Now enter the text you want to translate in the text box. You can type it in, paste it, or even use your voice by tapping the microphone icon. Another cool feature is the camera translation. Tap the camera icon, point your camera at the text, and watch it get translated in real time. You can also listen to the translation by tapping the speaker icon next to the translated text. And that's it. Google Translate is a powerful tool that can help you communicate in different languages easily. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.